So we went ahead and put that chrome one on there. Now both of these bolts was. So we're back in the shop. We're about to bust down this Road King. Basically swap out the the lower legs on the forks that holds the front wheels. So we're taking the standard off and we're going with a chrome set. So stay tuned for that. I'm about to get that on here. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So we have a 2013 or 14 Road King. I'm about to take these standard legs off and go with the chrome ones. Go ahead and swap them out. So stay tuned for that. Show you guys how to get this front wheel off. Get the front fender off. Then we got disassembled the headlight, the blinkers, take the bars potentially off, so stay tuned for that. So we're about to get it going. And then you gotta pop these two bolts off, get the blinkers off. Once you do that, you take this off with a flathead. It should be like an Allen, a screwdriver right there. Pop them two screws out. Once this lifts off, take this little screwdriver bolt out right there, pop this off, get the headlight bolts, then this will all come apart, take the bars off, then we'll get access to this. I'll show you guys right here. Basically, once we get the headlight off, it'll look like this. We gotta just basically unscrew this, get the leg out, get that inner bolt out. Once we get that off, we can slide the legs right out. Then we get the grease like we did. You already know we grease it up, lube it up, get it ready to go. And it goes in nice and easy. Then it'll be like that, except it'll be chrome. So stay tuned. See, y'all see the difference with that chrome and the standard. It's gonna look a lot much better. This thing nice and clean, ready to go. Yes, sir, this thing looks amazing. Ready to go. Nice and clean. Stay tuned, about to get this thing on here, man. Swap them out. So we went ahead and took the front wheel off, and we basically got the brakes unbolted with the stock wheel. It will not let you slide the wheels off. The front wheel, I know for sure, unless you take them brakes off. You could just take one, I'll take both because I'm just assembling everything. Now the trick is getting these little edges off of the bolts, flatten them out. I use the flathead, flatten it out with a hammer, and then I just unscrew it. Once we do that, we're gonna take apart the headlight and everything else. So stay tuned. I'll see what's going on. Back in the shop, man. I didn't even realize it's two bearings, so gotta buy two of these bearings for the back and get them compressed in. But yeah, we back in the shop. We just pulled up. We're about to get some work in. We left off yesterday assembling these legs, trying to get the standards off and get the new chrome ones on. that chrome went on there. Now both of these bolts was kind of stripped, so I had hella difficulty, but I got one of them off. This other one still having some problems with, so I'm almost like to take this to the machine shop today, try to get that bolt out of there. But we're gonna throw this chrome one back up on here so we can get it on the road. Then we're about to snatch these bars off and take them to the powder coat shop. So stay tuned, we sliding. So we are about to disassemble this bike and get the motor off the frame. Now originally I was gonna build this bike and try to basically bring some to the channel, show another road glide getting built. But I think I'm going to end up disassembling this whole bike and just part it out, for the fact that I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I still need to bring my bike, 6 bikes in here. And I'd already had enough time spent dealing with this bike and this blue one. So for my own sake and speed, I'm gonna just part this thing out. I'm gonna sell the motor and the frame, everything piece by piece separately. So with that being said, everything on this bike will be up for sale, from the motor to the harness, the computer, and all the other miscellaneous pieces. Now, I already have a buyer. I have a few buyers, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I have a few buyers for the frame with the pink slip. Basically the whole 3-piece frame they're gonna get. Now, this is not something that I was looking to do. I just went ahead and came up with this idea because how cluttered my shop is right now. So I'm gonna just do this and keep everything going and flowing on the road. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, we're about to bust him down. I'm waiting on my boy Ray. He gonna pull up and help me cut this crash bar off. Can't seem to get that off how this is, but we're gonna do what we can in the meantime, man. So stay tuned. You already know we sliding and we working. got this thing coming apart. I had to have my boy Ray help me cut the crash bar off. And we had some problems taking off the triple tree. The nut was super messed up, but we got it going. This thing is fully taken apart, almost on its way out. So if anybody's interested in this 103 6-speed transmission, please let me know. If you need any miscellaneous parts off of this, get at me and let me know. But this thing is about to be on its way out. Big shout out to my boy Ray for coming to help me. Definitely appreciated all the help. Could not have done that by myself. So everything worked out smooth. We about to finish getting this thing up and rolling though. So stay tuned, y'all. We working and we sliding.